Mini USB cable. UGREEN Mini USB-B cable connects your USB-ready computer or USB hub to a device with USB mini port like Garmin GPS Receiver, dash cam, digital camera, Blue Yeti, Game PS3 controller, sat navigation, zoom mic, PowerShot ELPH, Rebel, old phone, and other devices with mini B5 pin connector. High-speed transfer charging. UGREEN Mini USB cable supports the speed of up to 480 megabits per second for data transfer, which is backward compliant with full-speed USB 1.1, 12 megabits per second, and low-speed USB 1.0, 1.5 megabits per second, and provides two-way power charging for devices with mini port. Nylon-Braided Nickel-Plated. Tangle-free nylon-braided material and wear-resistant aluminum shell make the mini USB charger cable able to bend over 10,000 bendings. The combination of nickel-plated connectors and foil braid shielding keeps the USB Mini B cable maximum conductivity and minimizes data loss, provides a safer and more reliable charging. Wide compatibility. USB to mini USB cable is compatible with GoPro Hero HD, Hero 3 Plus, Sony PlayStation 3 controller, also named PS3 controller, MP3 players, Astro A4050, HTC, digital cameras like Canon PowerShot ELPH, Rebel, EOS, sat navigation, compatible for Garmin Nuvi GPS, hard drive, dash cam, Blue Yeti, TI-84 and other devices with mini B5 pin connector. Note: this is a mini USB cable, not a micro USB charging cable. Please be aware of the type before you buy it. Top reviews from the United States. Nice cable to replace fragile external DVD drive cable. Bought these in hopes that issues I was having with an external DVD drive for my computer. Upon receipt I checked operations and found that the cable solved my issues. Very happy with apparent durability and sturdiness of the cable. Note that when purchasing these types of cables, make sure you're buying data cables versus charging cables which may not contain all required connections for data transmission. These are data cables and support both data transmission and normal charging functions.